Working leads is a journey. It is not a quick buck, and it does not happen overnight. It takes showing up every single day. Two of the most important qualities that top producing agents have is that they are consistent and they are persistent. So I want you to know now and have the right expectations that this is a journey and it does not happen quickly. At some point in this process, no matter how new you are, or how experienced you are, we all are going to second guess ourselves. Why? Because what we do is hard. And there are going to be a lot of rejections. There are going to be a lot of no's. There are going to be a lot of people that don't answer your phone or reply to your messages. I'm telling you right now to expect it so that you keep going anyway. You may want to quit. This is when it's the most important to stay committed. At the exact moment that you want to quit is almost always when things start to happen. So stay committed even when you feel like quitting. That same moment of when you want to quit is also when you need to keep showing up. You have to keep showing up until it becomes a discipline. Because guess what? Eventually, that discipline will become confidence. And confidence is what leads to contracts. And contracts lead to closings. And closings is the start of you as an agent leveling up. Whether you're brand new, whether you're experienced, it doesn't matter. Because leads are going to equal more closings. They're going to equal more relationships. They're going to help you grow your business. Here's the most important thing. It comes from you. The real challenge in this has nothing to do with the lead quality. It has nothing to do with the market. There's no excuse. It has everything to do with you and what's inside of you and how badly do you want this.